Welcome to this online Elomatic product training about the Elomatic F-Series rack and pinion actuator. Built upon 40 years of proven service from millions of applications, Elomatic actuators remain second to none in dependability, providing the optimum fit-and-forget performance in a wide range of industries like chemicals, refining, power generation, pulp and paper, pharmaceuticals and food and beverage. The fit-and-forget design principles assures a reliable and easy-to-maintain actuator which improves the operation's uptime and complies to the relevant industry safety standards. Additionally, the actuator is suitable for use under extreme temperatures, harsh-duty applications and corrosive atmospheres. Designed and produced according to standards for high engineering accuracy and advanced material selection assures a long, reliable cycle life. The precise engineering parts assure an accurate fitting and guiding of the moving parts. Permanently lubricated, long-lasting bearings extend the actuator's life under the most severe and demanding conditions. The Elomatic F-Series consists of 13 sizes with torque outputs from 12 Nm up to 4,000 Nm or 106 to 35,000 inch-pounds and available as spring return or double-acting versions. Based on the available supply pressure, spring return actuators can be equipped with various spring sets, allowing you to select the most economical actuator size for your application. Elomatic, with its excellent finish actuators, is typically intended to work under extreme temperatures, harsh-duty applications and various corrosive atmospheres. Elomatic actuator comes with a unique aircraft guide, aluminium alloy pinion that can be fitted various drive inserts. The pressure-balanced design, together with the wider bearings, prevent premature wear and assures a long life cycle. Elomatic actuators are supplied as standard with an excellent corrosion protection coating stainless steel fasteners that passed a 1000-hour salt spray test according to ASTM B117 and allows up to 15 years of corrosion-free plant life. Stainless steel fasteners together with the spring cartridges assure easy, quick and safe serviceability, also after a long time of use. The fit-and-forget design means also ease of use from installation to configuration to maintenance. For easy installation of controls and accessories, the actuator's mounting interfaces comply the relevant standards. The dual-stroke adjustment feature is a standard part of the configuration and allows exact setting of the open and close positions. Materials for bearings and seals were selected and designed to minimize maintenance needs. The fit-and-forget design means also complying to global standards for product safety and performance. As such, the spring cartridges were designed to allow easy and safe spring set changes. Compliance to global quality, interface and product safety standards assures a reliable, easy and safe product to work with in a wide range of applications. The dual drilling patterns with drive inserts offers a flexible and most economical way of valve mounting. Next to the base rack and pinion actuator, we can also offer a wide range of options to extend the functionality or specifications. Thank you for watching the Elomatic product training. Please contact us if you require more detailed information about Elomatic.